Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mink V3 in King Legacy. To begin your journey, you must first have the Mink V2 race unlocked. Once you are ready, your next step is to find the elusive Mink Race Island. This special island appears randomly in the vast Third Sea, so keep a close eye on your log pose for an animal face icon to guide your way. Upon reaching the Mink Race Island, your adventure truly begins. Seek out the non-player character named Ruvo and engage him in conversation. He will present you with your first challenge, to defeat a formidable foe. This boss, known as Wildclaw, can be found right there on the island, so prepare for battle. After successfully defeating Wildclaw, make your way back to Ruvo. He will then task you with solving an ancient and unique puzzle found nearby. This puzzle requires your individual attention, as other players cannot assist you. Once the puzzle is solved, your next objective is to collect 10 void cores, which are obtained by completing raids in the Third Sea. With your 10 void cores in hand, return to Ruvo one final time to complete your awakening to Mink V3. This powerful upgrade provides an active ability that instantly restores 10% of your health. You will also gain a substantial boost to your movement speed, improved dash capabilities, and the unique power to run across water, all lasting for 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.